Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this humidifier. So it is a Tower Humidifier, so it's really large. As you can see, it's like sizes of two of my heads. So it's supposed to be on the ground, but I already opened it a little bit. This is what it's gonna look like. Oh, backwards. Oh, it's actually a lot lighter than I thought it would be. So this is part one. As you can see, it can hold up to 8 liters. And I like that, of course. Obviously, you can see where the water level's at, right there. All right, there's something else in here. So this is how to operate it. It's got off and on, mist, sleep, timer, customized humidity, and a UV night light. Oh, that's cool. All right, and this is part 2. Ooh. Nice and chic. All the functionalities over there. So it says to place this on a flat surface, and then this actually goes on top of this. The pump probably goes in here, yep. And then everything in the back you can plug. All right, so step 1 is to place this on a flat surface, and then it says to take off this machine part of it, and then fill in your water. We're just gonna try this is probably about like a liter or so. So I think there's not enough water actually, so let's fill it up more. All right, so now we can see that the water level has risen all the way to 6 liters. So we should be good now. So let's put it back, turn it back on. You can hear it pumping. And actually, if you can see, the water levels went down a little bit because it's being sucked up into this part of the machine. All right, now we can go ahead and press the mist volume for it to start spewing mist up top, I think. All right, let me just fill it a little bit more. All right, so now when we press the on button, now it's actually displaying correctly because everything's lined up. And then we can go ahead and do the mist, and voila. There we go. I don't know if you can see it, but the cool mist definitely working. So basically, there was a little pump issue, but totally works. Let's check out the light. Oh, the light is for this. Okay, UV light. We can do customization. I see. If you customize humidity, just by pressing it up. Mist volume, changing it like that. Basically just by pressing it, change the timer. So that's how you use the humidifying tower. So if you would like to purchase this, check out the link below. If you want to see more product unboxings and openings, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you think about this tower. Is this something that you would purchase? Is this something you would get? Why or why not? And I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.